In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Confluence pages effectively. Whether you're managing a team or working on a personal project, keeping your Confluence space tidy can greatly enhance your productivity and ensure that everyone involved can quickly find the information they need. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. Start by heading over to your Confluence homepage. If you haven't been here before, it's essentially your command center, a place where all your spaces and pages live. Familiarizing yourself with this area is key, as it's the starting point for organizing your Confluence setup. From the home page, you can access various workspaces and begin organizing your content. If you have multiple workspaces, each one might represent a different project or team within your organization. Take a moment to assess which workspace you'll be organizing today. Click on the appropriate workspace that requires your attention, and you'll be ready to start sorting things out. Now that you're inside the chosen workspace, the next step is to organize the pages within it. You'll likely see a list of pages, some of which might be nested under others if they've already been partially organized. Thankfully, Confluence makes it incredibly easy to move your pages around. Simply click on the page you wish to move, hold it, and drag it to the desired folder. This drag and drop functionality is a convenient way to quickly rearrange your pages to reflect the structure that makes the most sense for your workflow. By dragging your pages into appropriate folders, you create a hierarchical structure that not only looks clean, but also helps users to easily navigate through the content. As you create this structure, think about how your team accesses information. Doing so will allow you to sort your pages logically, for instance, by priority, project phase, or any other criteria relevant to your work. Once you've placed your pages in their respective folders, you'll notice how much easier it is to find what you need. This organized setup helps maintain focus and drastically reduces the time spent searching for documents. Additionally, it ensures that your team members have a seamless experience accessing the right information when they need it. Remember, organizing your Confluence pages is not a one-time task. It requires periodic review and adjustment as projects evolve and new information becomes available. Set a regular schedule, be it monthly or quarterly, to go through your workspace and ensure that everything is still in order. This proactive approach will keep you at maximum efficiency and allow your team to collaborate more effectively. Thank you for joining me today in this guide to organizing Confluence pages. Implement these simple steps, and your Confluence space will be neat, streamlined, and ready to support your most ambitious projects. Happy organizing!